Trying to connect Google Sheets to n8n but stuck on Google credentials or OAuth? Most beginners give up here because it's confusing and easy to break. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to set up Google Sheets with n8n, avoid all common mistakes, and get your workflow running flawlessly. Together with my agency, the Fiction AI, I've built 5-figure automation systems for clients and trained over 200 people in the Builders Lab, so you're learning from experience. If this helps, hit the like button and let's get into it. So, getting straight into the action. So, what you want to do first is create a blank canvas, or should I say a blank workflow in your n8n application. Once you do that, you want to open in a new tab and just search for console cloud.google.com. Once you do that, you're going to be brought here. And what you want to do here, if you do not have an existing project, is simply create a new project. So we're going to do that. Just click on new project here and just search for a YouTube test. Or should I say, type in your project name, which here it's YouTube test. Then click on create. Give it a few seconds. It's going to create. And once it's done, just click on select project here and you'll be inside the project. So for the first thing that you want to do is enable the Google Drive API. Search that. Click on the first and enable here. And once that's enabled, after that is search on the Google Sheets API. Click on the first one. Click on enable. Once that's enabled, what you want to do is go onto the left side of your screen and click on OAuth consent screen and click on get started here. For the app name, I'm just going to choose anything random. It could be anything. So just click on YouTube test. For the user email, it's going to automatically populate here. So just choose on the one that gets given to you. And for the audience, we're going to choose Excel because that's the only one available with this type of Google account. So just click on next, and for the contact information, just put in any email you'd like, but to make it just simpler, just use the email that you use in the app information. And after that, click on agree, then continue, then click on create. Perfect. So after that, you want to go into branding, scroll all the way down, and you can, here is where you can add your app logo, your app domain, and also the authorized domains. We'll get into that later. Then after that, we also have the audience where you can publish the app, but what we want to do here is add a test user, because the test user is the email that you will be using to log in, or should I say get access to the Google Sheets API. So here we're going to use this email. If we do that, we're going to go onto clients, but before we get into the clients, you want to add all of the users here that are going to access the API. So if it's not just only you and you have other people on your team, you want to add that here. Then after that, you want to go into clients and click on here, create client. For the application type, it's going to be web application. You can put in the name here. I'm just going to leave it as web client 1. And here we're going to find the authorized JavaScript origins. And how you're going to get that is simply by going over to the URL of your n8n application and just copying the domain, paste in here. The reason why my domain is a bit different here is because I'm using a self-hosted n8n instance, but you're definitely gonna get the right one by just simply copying from HTTPS all the way till the first slash here, and make sure to remove the slash when you paste it here. And for the authorized redirect URI, what you want to do is quickly set up a Google Sheets node here. Put get rows. Let's create a credential, and you want to copy this basically. Once you do that, you want to come back to the console, to the Google Cloud console, and just paste it. Just click on create. So you'll be prompted with the client ID, which you copy and paste it here. Then secret too as well, you gotta copy it, paste it here. If you're done with that, just click on save and sign in with Google. I'm gonna select the email that you put in as the test user basically, and just click on continue here, and click on select all, then click on continue, and voila, you've successfully set up Google Sheets with n8n. Simple, straight to the point. And you can see here account connected. So let's quickly test the connection and see if it's actually working. To test the connection, we have a Google Sheet here where you can see it's a test lead data. You just have 3 leads, and the goal is basically to get all of this lead into our n8n application. So we are going to use the get rows in sheet node, get rows, and from the document we're going to choose the test lead data and sheet 1, and basically just execute the step. It's working as expected. Alright, now you know exactly how to connect Google Sheets to n8n, so your automations actually work. If you want to go further, join the Builders Lab, which is the first link in the description below, for over 50 ready-to-use templates, live call sessions with me, and a community of like-minded creators and builders building real workflows. And if you'd like a custom solution for your business, check out Fiction AI, which is the second link in the description below, and you can go call with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you inside the Builders Lab, where you can turn ideas into fully automated reality. I'm Ahmed, and see you in the next one.